Alright, so in the last video, if you didn't see it, I'll link it below. I showed you how I fold this book with staples printed on one side. If you want to print it on both sides, you can do it without staples. Bonjour prof, welcome back. Last time I showed you how I fold and staple a book when I print it one-sided, but I know a lot of you have limited paper and limited printing ability, so what if we do it front to back? First, you want to make sure that you set your printer to flip on the short edge for these pages, or you're going to end up with something that came upside down, and we don't want that. Okay, so make sure you do flip on short edge, and then your pages will be the right direction. Yeah. Okay, so what I do, so this is a no staple way that you can put a book together. Fold each page again like we did last time. See if I can do two. It's usually better to do one at a time. Let's not do that. One more. And you can do this with blank paper as well and have your kids publish their own writing. That works. And then we're going to need a pair of scissors. And with our scissors, we are going to, on part of the pages, make a cut in the center, and on the other part, make an opposite cut on the edges. I'll show you what I mean. Oop, don't do them upside down. So for the outside ones, I'm going to make a cut from the edge to about there. Like that. There you go. And then on this one, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to cut in the center. So you have to fold this over a bit, like that, and cut the center. Sorry, my angle is awkward. Okay. Then you're going to hold this open. You're going to slide, going with the outside cuts on the inside. Okay, so fold it like this, slide this in, and then just kind of wiggle it until the slots meet up, like that. Okay, then you're going to fold it down, and ta-da, we've got a book that stays together with no staples. There you go. So you have two different ways you can put together this Fact Family book. If you want to see a different way to put together a mini book, watch my next video. Au revoir. Good luck. Happy teaching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Make it fun for the kids. Check out one of these other videos. Toodaloo.